Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log into Google Chat. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chat.google.com. This will take you directly to the Google Chat login page where you can access all your conversations and workspace chats. Once the page loads, you'll see the main interface with the sign in option prominently displayed. Next, locate and click on the sign in button. This button is typically positioned in the center or top right corner of the page and will redirect you to Google's secure authentication page. Clicking this initiates the login process and ensures your account information is handled through Google's protected servers. Now you'll see a field asking for your credentials. Go ahead and input your email address or phone number that's associated with your Google account. Make sure you enter this information correctly to avoid any login errors. After typing in your email or phone number, click the next button to proceed. The system will then verify that your account exists and move you forward to the next authentication step. On the following screen, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in the password that corresponds to the email or phone number you just entered. Take your time to ensure you're entering it accurately, as passwords are case sensitive. Once you've entered your password, click the next button again. Google will now verify your credentials and authenticate your account access. And that's it. You're now successfully logged into Google Chat and can start messaging your contacts, joining group conversations, and collaborating with your team. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.